If you want to get a new parent the gift of sleep, this is it. It's the Mom Calls It white noise machine. It literally is a godsend. You will be the hit at the baby shower. He's 4 months old now, and I've been using this since he was born. He knows that this is part of his sleep routine now, so as soon as this goes on, it helps to soothe him to sleep. I use mine all the time. There's lots of different settings. It's 45 in total. It also has the lighting as well, so you can choose which type of light that you want in the night. If you keep it on the red light actually helps them to self-soothe as well. Also in the middle of the night, if he wakes up, you just turn this on and it does the same thing. So please do not scroll and skip past this. This is what you need. So make sure you go out and buy it.